All right, everybody, in this video series, we're going to be going over creating and using FlipGrid in virtual learning. So go ahead and go to the FlipGrid website. Once you're there, you can either click up at the top right-hand corner or down at the bottom where it says Educator Sign Up. I already have an account, but just for the sake of this, I'm actually just going to create a new grid. Whenever you sign up for FlipGrid, it will ask you to create a grid. It should pop up with something looking like this. A grid is really just a class. So I'm going to go ahead and name my grid tutorial. And once you have the name of your grid, you're going to select a way for students to sign in. I do recommend using the school email. It seems to be the easiest way, and you usually don't have as many problems. The only other way you get that is if you do it by just sharing it publicly. But if you do this, then your students' videos will be accessible by anybody on the web. So I do not recommend using that. So I'm going to go ahead and click school email and hit next. Now my email automatically pops up, the domain. So I need to add the student's domain. So I'm going to add a+student.org and hit enter. That way it pops in blue. Once I've done that, I'm going to hit next. And now my grid is ready to share. I am not going to share this link with students though, because I want to give them the actual assignment link, not the grid link. So I'm going to go ahead and click go to grid. Now, when your grid pops up, remember this is your class. So I'm going to go ahead and make some edits. So I don't need to change any of those things. I don't want to receive daily notifications. I'm going to do weekly. I am going to go ahead and turn this on. That way my students get notified when I create new assignments. And I think I'm going to change this picture to maybe this one of the books. I like that. And I'm going to click Update Grid. Now that I have that ready, you'll notice that there's already one topic provided for you by FlipGrid. You can use this, but I'm going to go ahead and go over to Actions, and I'm going to delete this topic. I want to start with a nice clean slate. So we've created our FlipGrid, we changed some of the settings, and now we're ready to add a topic or an assignment. We'll be going over how to do that in the next video.